I added some cowboy boots because why not?
Alexis Sunshine 83, it's always sunny here. Boop.
Hey Sunshiners, Alexis Sunshine 83 right here. So, outfit formulas, outfit recipes. What is up with them? I feel like I am the last person to know about outfit formulas and outfit recipes. I'm sure like throughout my lifetime, I've been exposed to outfit recipes because it's really just like a guide and tips and tricks of like certain silhouettes and that kind of thing. But the actual like word outfit formula, I really wasn't introduced to until a couple of months ago, and my mind is blown. It honestly feels like such a perfect way for, you know, days where you're like, I have nothing to wear, or I don't even know what to wear. And especially going into fall, having different outfit recipes in your back pocket is perfect, because I don't know about you, but I very much default to the Adam Sandler fit, especially during fall time. And I don't want to do that. So today I will be trying 10 different outfit formulas that I saw on TikTok, which I will leave the creators right in the description, just to see, you know, does these outfit formulas make a difference? Is it a game changer? We'll see.
The first outfit formula is graphic t-shirt and dress pants, work pants, and it said minimal jewelry, kind of business casual. So this is the outfit that I made, and I feel I did style these trousers in a similar way at the beginning of the year, but I'm gonna be completely honest, I have not worn these trousers since that video. And so that's why I really want to do this one, is try to reimagine these trousers in a more casual, comfortable way for me. Obviously a graphic tee is something I feel super comfortable in, and I really like it. I would have never put these two together, and I think I could have a lot of fun with the graphic t-shirts that I already own, styling them with trousers, because it gives a completely different look than if I were to put them with jeans. It's a great possibility of restyling maybe a graphic t-shirt you wear all the time in a different way. I decided to go for some loafers just because it said business casual. Don't really know what that means, so these felt like a safe bet. There's just something with a graphic tee and dress pants trousers that just look so nice. I don't know, maybe it's just because of how, you know, depending on what your graphic is, it can be very, I guess in my case, cars, and you're just putting something that would be usually dressed in a more kind of formal business way, and I really love it. I'm really happy I did this one because I was like, oh, like this one isn't that interesting, but it has made me fall back in love with these trousers. This outfit recipe is taking a dress. It doesn't seem like it matters really the length of the dress, and just putting a sweater on top of it. And I decided to style this crop sweater that I got in Sunday's video because so many people were like, you have to style it on top of a slip dress. So I have this green one here, and I'm gonna be honest, this outfit formula, I think as of right now, this is only the second one I'm doing. As of right now, it's the only one I actually don't really love. I feel like the idea totally makes sense and on other people looks great, but maybe it's because all of my sweaters a lot of times go in at the bottom to where they just don't lay right, or at least how I would want them to lay on top of a dress. And this outfit is a little bit different since, you know, the sweater is cropped. But I'm looking in the mirror and it just looks off to me. I felt like the color would go well together because it is this like deep green slip dress. There's some green in the sweater, and I don't think it's bad, but I'm not sure. Let me know in the comments down below what you think. And especially if you commented to style the sweater over a slip dress. Did I execute it well? I was feeling brave, so I am doing the mesh skirt slash like see-through lace skirt with a blazer, and you can wear something under the blazer like a top, but I believe it said like if you're feeling brave, just going with like a bra under the blazer, and apparently I'm feeling brave, or just that I really want to push myself with trying these outfit formulas to put together outfits I would have never put together. So here she is. I am just wearing a bralette, and you know, it's it's a look. I feel like it's very New York City, kind of Pinterest. This blazer is quite loose on me, which does work in that it then covers my butt, which this skirt is completely see-through. I don't know if you'll be able to see just with the lighting, but yeah, it's completely see-through. It's lace. It's actually very, very beautiful, and kind of styling it for fall is something I've kind of had in the back of my mind because I almost feel like it's more wearable during fall because you can layer. And so this blazer is covering up, you know, all the parts that need to be covered up, but then showing off all the other parts. Depending on what kind of blazer you have, it's going to give a different effect because again, mine is loose. It is going to show more of the chest. And so I tried to then style some necklaces with it to distract a little bit that I'm just wearing a bra. And I also wanted to wear some kind of like eye-catching shoes. So I have these red ballet flats, again, to kind of take your attention away from the fact that I'm just wearing a bra. The next outfit formula is cardigan buttoned all the way up, midi skirt, and ankle boot. Now, I don't really have any, I guess I have one pair of boots that stops at the ankle, but I don't know, I just didn't really like it with this outfit, so I decided to put some longer boots, and I think it adds a necessary color to this look. This is definitely an outfit I've worn before. I think of, well, I don't think I had it buttoned all the way up. A lot of times I don't button my cardigans all the way up, except recently when I went thrifting, which you haven't seen that video yet, but you will in the future. I am wearing a cardigan that I do have buttoned all the way up, and it made me totally forget that that is an option when styling cardigans. I know it sounds so silly, but a lot of times I'm like, oh, it's like an accessory. You have your outfit and you use the cardigan as like an addition to layering, but it's a sweater too if you just button it all the way up. So again, I think this is another one where it's taking something that maybe you wear one way and styling it in a different way that maybe you don't usually style it. This outfit formula is tiny top, mini skirt, and tights. I've definitely put together outfits that are kind of in line with this outfit formula, and I like it that it is general, but it's also still, you know, making you think about like, what kind of tights do I want to add? I could have just put together some black tights, but instead I put some colored tights, and I did take some liberties on kind of adding my own spice to it because a lot of these outfit formulas I don't think are necessarily supposed to be like, this is all that you can wear. Like these are the only clothing pieces you can put on your body. You can take them and then put your own spin on it, put your own personality. I think it's truly just like, here is a way to at least get your creativity juices flowing. You have the foundation of the outfit, the basics of the outfit, and now you can kind of go ham. Some other ones are a little bit more specific, but most of them are very open to however you want to take it. So that's what I did with this one. I added this black and white vest, but I have my Spidey baby tee, my mini skirt, and then these purple tights. And I also added a little bow on my neck. I just kind of wanted to, again, add something a little bit different. This outfit formula that was kind of being said is the fall outfit formula, which is plain white t-shirt, loose jeans, leather jacket, ballet flats or Mary Janes, and a big bag. Basically baggy on baggy on baggy. It's definitely not too far off from what I naturally wear, say, to go to the grocery store. I will say the baggy top, I would actually more go for a baby tee just because there is so much bagginess, which we will be doing a like tiny top, baggy bottom outfit formula later in this video. I don't hate this outfit. I just feel like it's kind of giving nothing, but also just comfy and easy. And yeah, I don't know, there's just something like that's just kind of like meh with this outfit formula, but again, I think honestly the most realistic. I very much was overthinking this outfit formula, which is 2 basic items, 1 statement piece, and 5 accessories. I think I was overthinking it because it's so open yet so specific that for me, I was like, what's a statement piece? Does it mean just a pattern piece, or does it mean something that catches your attention? How detailed does it need to be? Does it, I don't know. As you can see, I was going through a rabbit hole, but I actually really like the outfit I put together. I don't know if you can notice on camera, just depending on what the lighting's like, but these pants are patterned. So for me, they are the statement piece. And then my two simple items are my black Doc Martens and then my black suit vest. For accessories, that was a difficult one, but actually really good for challenging myself. I ended up going with 4 different necklaces, and then my 5th accessory being my belt. Even though I was overthinking it, I think this is a really great outfit formula to take in any way and like direction that you want, and also differently each day. Like you could wear this outfit formula for a week and style it completely different every single day. Would you say a jacket is an accessory? Because that's the thing that I was like, I just didn't know, because to me, like a jacket is a clothing item that is used as an accessory. So that's why I mainly just chose necklaces, because it's the most like accessories that I own. But I think, again, it doesn't have to be so like black and white. It can kind of, you know, depending on your style, the way that you look at clothing, you can kind of take however you want. I had to do the classic big top, little bottom. If you were on TikTok during summertime, then you saw the audio kind of saying that this was like the summer kind of outfit formula, but I think it works in every season because this is kind of like a classic. But on TikTok is where I originally saw it, and I think it works perfect for fall time, depending on where you live. Of course, so many of you are lucky enough to get actual fall weather. So I put these plaid boxer shorts and then this loose sweater. I really like the colors together. I think it's a really great Southern California fall outfit because it keeps it, I mean, again, it's going to be like 90, so maybe when it's a little bit less hot that I could wear this, because it has the colors yet it still is with just shorts. Then of course the opposite, we have the small top, big bottom. It's very summer, so I am gonna put a jacket on, but I just wanted to show like the full outfit so you could see it. I added some cowboy boots because why not? And then this little baby tee tank top, it's I think perfect with this skirt. I find that this skirt usually works a lot better with some sort of crop top or tiny top, just because it is, you know, voluminous. It even more so looks like I'm going to like a summer festival with the denim jacket. But yeah, I mean, this will be a fall outfit for me. The last outfit formula is fun/pattern pants, loose button up, flats or heels, and a fun bag. You know, I don't know if this outfit is good or not, if I'm gonna be honest. I had a vision. Don't know if I executed it very well, mainly because I own loose button ups, but a lot of them are pattern, and I really wanted to style my funky like shiny pants because they're amazing. How could I not? Also, I was trying to figure out what type of shoes. Like the heels or flats just did not look right, and so I put cowboy boots, but they're red and I have green pants, so is it giving Christmas? I don't think so. This one, I'm a little bit 50-50 on if I love it or hate it. I don't know if I would feel comfortable walking out of the house. I definitely could have done something a lot more tame, 100%, with other pattern pants that I have, but I wanted to really have fun with it, and I definitely am having fun in this outfit.
Alrighty, thank you all so much for watching. I had a lot of fun with this video, which let me know in the comments right down below any outfit formulas that you really love that maybe I didn't talk about in this video. Like, I am brand new to the outfit formula game. As always, a majority of the items I showed in this video were secondhand, so if you do like thrifting and secondhand fashion, then make sure to subscribe right down below and hit the little bell to be notified every time I make a new video. And also don't forget to follow me on Instagram, which is AlexSunshine83. I'll see you in my next video, and I hope you have a super sunny day.